Hi everybody, it's Christina Daves with PR for Anyone. And today I want to talk about creating a publicity plan. What's your strategy for 2020? So if you've followed me or have ever heard me speak or seen my marketing materials, you'll see that I have a proprietary system that I call my Get PR Famous formula. And I show it, it's a triangle, and there's three parts to it. You want to be newsworthy, you want to create great hooks, and you want to find the right journalist. That's your plan. It's really all you need. And the reason you want all three, though, is let's say you have a really good newsworthy story idea. You know how to write a great hook, which is your subject line, but you're sending your business story to the food editor. Guess what? They don't forward it. I learned this the hard way. Let's say you have a great story idea, you found that business editor, but you don't know how to hook them in. Some of these journalists get 500 emails a day. Some get 1,000 a day. So you've got to be able to get through all that noise, and that's where that subject line comes in. And then let's say that you've got a great subject line, you know who the journalist is, but you don't send them a good story. Well, guess what? They're not going to appreciate you. They're going to delete your email, and they might never open an email from you again. So it's really important that you have all three in place in your plan. So newsworthy story ideas are timely, they're interesting, they're what's going on now. One really cool thing to do is what's known as newsjacking. That's where you take something that's trending, that's going on in the world, and what can you share your expertise about that? Especially if it's breaking news. When you have breaking news, that's what they cover right away. And then you have the aftermath of breaking news. You have the hours, the days, maybe even weeks, months, where that story stays in the media and they're looking for all kinds of different angles and avenues. So how can you take a breaking news story, a trending news story, and newsjack it to your own expertise? So that's newsworthy. Creating great hooks. One of the best ways to find hooks is on magazine covers. Think of where we buy magazines, in the grocery store aisle. It's an impulse purchase. So, look at the cover of magazines. These people get paid to get you to buy. My last magazine was $7, a $7 magazine, because of what's on the cover, because they hooked me in. I didn't have the opportunity to open it up and read the article. They hooked me in from that title on the cover. So play around. Google's a great resource for that. And the last part is finding the right journalist. And the easiest way to do that, again, is Google. Who writes about X for Y? Remember, Google is a question search engine. So if you ask Google a question, they should respond with an answer. So putting that Get PR Famous formula in place, I am telling you, will put you light years ahead of your competitors. I know it works because I do it every day in my own business. I've personally been in over 1,000 media outlets. Together with the people that I've worked with, we have over 1 billion views, billion, from free publicity, over 8 figures in sales, and that's from what I've counted. So I get really excited about this because it's a system that really works if you implement it and you do it. So follow the Get PR Famous formula. Get yourself in the media, get massive visibility for your business, and share it with me. Let me know. Feel free to tag me on any social media posts, when you get some media, and I can't wait to see you out there.